Hi, MP. Hi, stop blessings. How are you? I just thought I'd put on an unboxing from temu. Right? I'll just undo some of the packaging. So I've got an electric cuppa. I think they use some of the massage spaces. So it helps with circulation, particularly after injury, because I don't know if you remember, but got hit by a car. So and it helps improve the like the tissues, the skin, the muscle, and everything. So hopefully that helps. So thank you for him. I'm just opening it like right. And some teaspoons. Right. So thank you, Temu. Chuck, shopping like a millionaire. How are you? Good. Thank you for your marriage and praise. And you. Love you. Love it, love it, love it, love it.